Hey guys, Room Picker here for another challenge lock for you. And today we got Gutting Gamble from Fast Charlie. You can see, what? There we go. Gutting Gamble by Fast Charlie. And these are just gutting instructions. But he made his out of a Schlage kick cylinder. Got this nice little engraving right here. And it says Fast right there. And then Charlie. And one thing that's interesting about this one is this little pin in the front. I've never seen a lock that has a pin. And it seems to interact with this back cam, like I can push it back and forth, and I have absolutely no clue what that does, but we're gonna see if we can get this open today. We're going to put this in here to pick off of the bottom because that's helpful when picking Schlags. And it seems to be a shadow today. Let me move this a little bit. Zoom in here. Try to give you guys the best viewing angle. And 50 thousandths top of the keyway going clockwise, a little bit different than our normal routine. Hook 7 in 18 thousandths. I'm just gonna bend this a little bit. It's been starting to bend over time from using it. And 2. Oh, now we're in a false set. Use SysDev, see if we can reach anything. Back pin needs a little bit more. I think that's too much. Oh, there we go, we got it. Alrighty. Just that easy. And let's go ahead and lock this back up and take a look at this key. Wow. That ain't a custom cut max violating key. I don't know what is. But it works absolutely flawlessly. Not a single snag in there whatsoever. Great job, Fast Charlie. All right, let's clean this up a little bit. I need one pick thing off the back. Let's take this. And if you can't really see, here is our club sticker. Join the 1 million Scoville Lock Sport Club. It's the hottest club around. Very fun challenge. Definitely would recommend. Alrighty. Let's get to the gutting. I'm going to take this back pin down and remove this collar. And here is that bar that we were talking about. Now you'll notice there's this little camera wants to be dumb right now. You see this little thing? Oh, I just realized you guys can't see anything. There's a little groove here. I wonder what that interacts with in the lock body. Interesting. I'm really curious now. It says recommended shim, and gutting counterclockwise advised. Counterclockwise is advised. Okay, so we have it counterclockwise. Shim. Hopefully you guys can. Yeah, you guys can still see. Sorry about that. I didn't realize you guys were out of frame. All right. Oh, jeez. What a save. My lap caught that pin. Well, I can already see, you can see it looks like a trap hole right here. Come on, focus. There we go. There's a trap hole right there. Be interested to see what that interacts with. Okay. I keep having to manually focus my camera. It's not wanting to play nice today. Oh, there we go. And this can go right there. So we got serrated top. We got a torpedo top. I got a T-pin. Come on. Got another serrated, and a tapered top. Let's remove that shim. Pin 1 is serrated. Pin 2 is serrated. Pin 3 is a gin bottle. Come on. This is a serrated. See if I get the spring out. Got a different strength spring for spring variation. Another different strength spring. Oops. Alrighty. And I expect no mods to the Bible because there's no grinding down or plate on top. But we can check that to make sure. Nope, no mods to the Bible. There are mods to the core. So no mods, no mods. Chamber 3 has undercuts. No mods, and Chamber 6 has undercuts. 3 and 6 have undercuts. So, let's look at this awesome pin work. Now I'm really curious, where's that hole? I still don't fully understand what the purpose of this hole is here, because it doesn't line up with any of the key pins or driver pins. So I don't know, maybe there's supposed to be a pin in there or something, and there's not. I don't understand. But let's take a look at this awesome pin work by Fast Charlie. You can see we got some awesome serrated and awesome tapered pins and some gin spools and spring variation. And here's that weird hole in it. And we got the undercuts on 3 and 6. And this is Gutting Gamble by Fast Charlie. Very fun challenge lock. Would recommend. And thank you all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. You guys have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.